Hey everyone, Money Flip right here from watchmtrade.com. The watch list for the last trading day of the week as we go into Good Friday and Easter weekend. Just a few little tickers I want to go over. First things first, I have up a chart of SPY. As you can see, SPY kind of tapped out right here at this 786 retracement, and today gave its first candle back down to the downside. SPY has been SPY, SPX, Nasdaq. They've all been on a very nice run all the way up to here. So I'm looking for this bullish trend to stall out for a while and start our pullback as we go into earnings. A lot of stocks will not be able to buy back. A lot of companies will not be able to buy back their stocks in the next week or so. So that's been a lot of the prop going on with stocks. But you can see where we topped out right here. These little small candles, no range, like these over here and up in here. So I'm looking for SPY and the SPOOs to continue on down. Tomorrow my target is going to be the 202 is what I'm looking for. Looking for us to test 202 and see if that holds. Going to be a light volume day tomorrow, so I don't expect too much out of the market. Anyway, Amazon. If the market goes, I feel like Amazon is going to go with it because Amazon has been consolidating up in this area. Let me blow this up a little bit more. It topped out right here. Okay, so you got a this high. Okay, and then we get lower high. And if we pull a little bit tomorrow, now Amazon did put in a nice candle today, so I'm not going to take that away from Amazon. But all I'm saying is if the market pulls, I'm looking for Amazon to pull with it. If Amazon stays up under pretty much 570, 569, I like it for a short. Okay. And see where I drew this line a while back, bounced up, and it's still heading to the downside. Okay, so if the market pulls, I like Amazon to pull with it. Netflix. Netflix, this candle is outside of this channel right here, so that throws me over into the bear mode. MACD starting to hook down. You can see it better now. So MACD is hooking down. So if let me blow this up. So yeah, I'm watching this 49 EMA right here. So see how this candle is outside of this channel, and I've had this channel drawn for I want to say at least a couple of weeks. Yeah, at least a couple of weeks. So anyway, you pretty much still got your doji candle right here. Doesn't know what he wants to do. Netflix get under 99. I like it for a short. All right, and that's Netflix. Next is Molina Healthcare. This is one of the stocks that's in my wheelhouse. As you can see, Molina Healthcare broke out to the upside of this descending channel. Some people might call it a wedge, but I'm just gonna call it a channel. Came up here, and look what she does. She touches at 200, can't hold it. That arrow is a moving average crossover. I just don't have that moving average on here. Everything's pointing down, so I like Molina Healthcare to at least come on back and touch the 61, 62 level. I think, sorry, 60 or 61 level. She gets under 61, and you might see 60 real fast. Okay, so that's Molina Healthcare. Next is good old Dunkin' Donuts. Love their coffee and their donuts. You got a straight up doji right here. I don't like what the indicators are saying. Um, the positive momentum has cooled all the way off. That MACD is hooked back down as well. So with that doji candle right there, basically, if this thing pushes down towards 45, I just don't think it's gonna hold, especially in the coming days. So that's Dunkin' Donuts under 45, and I like that one for a short. I mean, I feel like the advantage is to the short side versus the upside because look at all of this, what I call descending consolidation. Okay, so anyway, that's Dunkin' Donuts. Tesla been on a rip. I mean, just on a rip. This thing has come all the way back up here, and look at these two candles right here. So this one was basically where it topped out, which I should have gotten in on this one yesterday, but I haven't been around so much the last 2 or 3 trading days, so there was nothing I could do. But today was, if you got in on that yesterday, man, you made a killing today with options. But anyway, I'm looking for Tesla maybe to bounce a little bit on the way, but to at least give me a 50% retracement. So what is this? We call that 141 all the way to 241. I mean, that's $100 move, man. I'm looking for it to give up, at least $40 of that. So anyway, that is Tesla. And basically for Tesla going in tomorrow, I'm looking for this thing to retest 220, break 220, and I think 210 comes fast with Tesla. But that's asking a lot. But at least to the 215, where this ATR trailing stop is. So Tesla, if she breaks 220, I like Tesla to come on down to 215. All right, over and under 220. Next, Best Buy. Love the store, but this stock is starting to look ugly because you had this gap down, came right back up, touched the 200 to a T, came down, and looks like today was the ATR trailing stop crossover. Um, this thing breaks 31, and it just flushes, in my opinion, over the next coming days. It's already a hated stock, if you want to say that, but long-term MACD down, we're curling back down, just crossed the ATR trailing stop. So this one, I love it. If it gets under 31, I think it's lights out on this one. Okay. And that is Best Buy. Next one, good old Johnson and Johnson. This one put in a new high today. I really like that. I'm actually looking for Johnson and Johnson on some continuation. Let me go in here and look at the weekly. Oh no, this is the high right here, 109.49. It's only $1 away from a new all-time high. So for me, I really like that a lot. Just taking all-time high. So that's on the weekly. Take it back to the daily. So I think that's a 52-week high though. Anyway, 108.83 was the high today. Just like I said, it's a buck away from a 3-year high. So I actually like this one to the long side to maybe even push a little bit more into earnings. All right, Johnson & Johnson. Good old Mickey D's rolling up. Mickey D's, look what you got. That an all-time high? Looks like, I don't think McDonald's has ever been over 125. So once again, continuation on McDonald's on the weekly, really good. Take this back to the daily. It could be topping out a little bit here and might pull with the market, but if it does, let it pull, and it might be a dip buy opportunity. So that's Mickey D's. Last but not least, one of my favorites, which is Facebook, but it's banging its head right here at this 786 retracement. If the market pulls, I think this one comes back down just a little bit. I'm still long-term bullish on Facebook, but this one came up, pulled a little bit, pushed back up, banging his head right there on that 718 and the ATR trailing stop. So this one might be ready to cool off a bit. Anyway, that's the watch list that I have going into Thursday before Good Friday and Easter weekend. Catch us in chat at watchhimtrade.com, where I'm always sharing ideas on stocks, options, and futures. Good luck. Happy trading. Peace.